So, welcome back, everybody. My name's Token D Rock. I hope all of you are having a wonderful Friday morning. Things are looking very, very good. Bitcoin is rallying. We actually did break previous resistance. I'm going to show you that on the 1 hour briefly, but as you can see, we have Bitcoin rallying along with a bunch of the altcoins. Like Ethereum's up 9% in the past 24 hours. Solana's up 9%. These layer ones are rallying as well, like Matic, Avalanche, Polkadot. But yeah, as you can see, Bitcoin on the hourly chart has broke previous resistance that was between 38,300 roughly and 39,300. It broke through that recently. The bears are trying to drive that price down, as you can see. These wicks, that's the bears driving the price down on the hourly chart. We look on the daily chart. This is a higher high. Finally, we have been rallying the past few days, but we'll see if this holds. As you can see, if we extend this box out just a little bit to this day, we're roughly in 87 days downtrend. Obviously, we've been rallying the past few days, so you can say we're like breaking out of the trend, but we'll see if that continues or not. And the last big downtrend lasted roughly 97 days. Not saying we're gonna flip super bullish, but it's good that crypto's rallying. It's giving some people possibilities, possibly take profits when they couldn't, say just like a week or two ago with the prices being so low. Maybe you bought the dip. If you can, take profits. So that way, if we do go to the downside, see some price volatility of the downside, you can, take advantage and buy the dip at a lower price with more capital because you took profits. So that's that. Going into the main focus of today's video, we're going to be going over some interest rates for the month of February over on these various platforms that you can stake your crypto. Now, personally, I I do like stake some of my crypto that I do trade with, but like platforms like Celsius, BlockFi, these are platforms that you aren't really trading so much on. I mean, you can take it out and put it onto say something like Voyager, Coinbase, or Binance US and trade that crypto that you're staking with. But these are like my more longer term holds. Or if let's say like let's say if we go to the downside and we see a bear market for the next 6 to like 12 months, it would be smart to like have your crypto staked. Now, don't stake all your crypto in one spot. That's why I listed a variety of platforms that you can stake your crypto out. So what you're essentially doing is you're lending out your crypto for like different forms of different lengths of time. Sorry, you can do it on like crypto.com. I'm not that familiar with that platform, so I didn't have it listed here. But as you can see, you can get, if you lend out your crypto, you can earn anywhere from 4.5% on your Bitcoin up to 6.2% on your Bitcoin just for lending it out for like a few weeks, few months, whatever the time frame you're comfortable with. I personally am heavily staking on like Celsius and Voyager because I like getting that interest on the crypto that I'm like trading with while I'm waiting for a trade to go through. Like if I'm waiting for a trade to play out, waiting for a crypto to go just an extra 5 to 10% up and then take profits. And then, you know, um, while I'm waiting to do that, it's staking and earning me a little bit of passive income. I will do like another video on this showing you like how big the rewards can be. And I'm not like, I don't have tens of thousands of dollars in crypto, like some of these bigger investors. So if you have bigger dollar amounts, like you can make so much passive income, it's ridiculous. Like just moving things around, and you have to pay attention to the interest rate changes because sometimes they change every month. Some of these are pretty stagnant. But why not put your crypto to work and like earn some passive income, like why not? So as you can see on BlockFi, you earn 4.5% up to zero point 0.1 Bitcoin. And then after that, you start earning only 1%. So that's kind of crappy. I personally don't have very much Bitcoin on BlockFi. I have quite a bit on Celsius. I just put it on there from my Binance US account because on Binance US, they don't pay you out any interest for your Bitcoin, your Ethereum. Most of the cryptos, they don't pay you interest, at least for the US version. The international version, completely different story. But that's besides the point. So I have most of my crypto Bitcoin up and locked away on Celsius and not BlockFi just for this limit reason. So once I hit 0.25 Bitcoin, I will start stacking more on Voyager just to earn more VGX tokens. But as you can see, you can earn 4.75% on Bitcoin. You need a zero point zero 0.01 Bitcoin to qualify for that interest rate. Ethereum, 5% over on BlockFi, up to 1.5 Ethereum. On Celsius, they're offering you 5.35% up to 30 ETH. After that, it goes down to 3.52%. So I think Celsius is the no-brainer there as well. On Coinbase, you used to be able to get like 5.5 to I think 7% if you staked for ETH2, but I think that has ended. So I checked their website. All I saw was 4.5%. Litecoin, BlockFi does pay you the best rate at 3.5% up to the first 20 units. For Chainlink, you can see Celsius is offering you 3%. That is no brainer. USDC, Voyager is changing the way they give you interest boosts for USDC. You will still get that payout every month for your daily average balance, but you won't get paid that interest boost in USDC. You'll get paid out in VGX. Same thing with I believe Bitcoin and ETH, part of the VLP. Um, but personally, I have most of my USDC on Voyager just for my trading account. I do have some on Celsius, Uniswap. I have some staked away on Celsius. I do have some on my Anchor US account. I didn't put any of the interest rates from that, but as you can see, I'm gonna do a link to this page. So if you want to take a detailed look at each individual interest rate, and so you can, earn some interest on the crypto you're holding long term or even short term, you can take advantage of this. As you can see, Celsius stopped offering interest on XRP. I believe it was like only like 1 or 2% beforehand, but they discontinued that, I guess, because of the SEC lawsuit. But that was more recent because last time I did a video like this, it was roughly, I believe, in November, and a good amount of these rates have changed. As you can see, you can get interest on your Binance coin, but you have to have the international version of Celsius. Same thing with wrapped gold or GLD. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of different interest rates that you can take advantage of on these different platforms. And I will put a separate document and I'll put a link to this in the description box if you want to take a closer look. But yeah, this took me a few hours to compile, try and make it kind of neat and not so all over the place because I looked back at my November thing, and it was all over the place. Like, look at this. This is a lot more messy, and if you ask me. But yeah, if you guys found today's stream helpful in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. I will do a part 2 of this video showing you the various rewards that you can receive every week, every month, on the various platforms. Again, you don't need to have thousands or tens of thousands to start. You need maybe a hundred, maybe a few $100 to start staking your crypto on these platforms and start earning some passive income slowly but surely. And as you keep stacking, those rewards will increase as well. Obviously, these interest rates with time, as more and more people get into crypto, these interest rates will probably go down, realistically speaking. Like, this 6.2% is like industry leading, out of all these platforms listed here. Like, Voyager doesn't even come close. Neither does BlockFi. They're not even 5%. But those percentages will go down over time as more and more people adopt crypto. So take note of that and take advantage and get in early. Again, one thing, not financial advice. This is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. Do not stake all your crypto in one spot. It's dangerous. Dangerous way to play the game, if you ask me. I would recommend having your crypto spread out at least to 2 platforms. Probably 3 is ideal, but at least 2, just so you don't have all your eggs in one basket. And if it goes down for whatever reason, like maintenance or whatever, like on Celsius or Voyager, whatever the platform may be, you don't want to be freaking out because you can't access any of your crypto. But yeah, if you guys like the stream, please like and subscribe. If you're over on YouTube, hit that notification bell to be notified when I do streams / release new videos / content like this. Again, I will put a link in the description box to a document that has these interest rates listed, so you can take a closer look. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next week, and have a great day, investors.